Hi, I'm Liza Paredes, and I am your Jamberry consultant. I am actually trying to show you just how to um, apply your sample. So let's say somebody has just sent you a sample or given you a sample. Yay, I got one in the mail. And this is kind of what I've been sending out, just one sample that could actually be used as an accent nail on one finger on each hand. So what you would do when you first get it is you're going to take it and you would trim it in half. So I'm going to trim mine in half because I'm going to use one side for one hand and the other for the other. So there, this is it in half. Now what you need to do is kind of, since you only have one, you know, when you buy the wraps you'll have several different sizes, but since you only have one you're going to have to try to match it to a nail that kind of fits. You don't want it to be too big for your nail because you don't want it to touch the skin on the sides. So this one's kind of just right for my ring finger. So the first step is going to be cleaning your nails. I have washed my hands and I am just going to use just regular old alcohol and a cotton ball. You could use a an alcohol swab for this. Yeah, I just use regular alcohol. And then you want to clean off your nail real well. Make sure that there aren't any more any oils or residues left on your nail. All right, so it's nice and clean. And then I'm just going to take my handy dandy nail hair dryer. I'm using a hair dryer because I know that most people that I'm sending a sample to will not have our fantastic mini heater yet, which you can purchase from Jamberry. It's super quiet and it's gets nice and hot for your applications. You can use a pair of tweezers to take your nail sticker off the backing. And I'm just using the scissors right now to kind of hold it on. And what you're going to do, the first step is going to be to heat this up. And you're going to take it like adhesive side, maybe use like a few seconds, maybe 5. You'll notice it getting nice and soft and pliable. And when it's nice and soft, then you're going to place it on your finger. Let me see if I can get it so you can see it. Just at the cuticles edge. And you'll be able to reposition it a little bit too. So as you see, I didn't really press it down quite yet. It's kind of stuck there, so I can kind of reposition it a little bit, make sure I got it a little bit straight. And then I'm going to press from the bottom to the tip, and then I'm going to press around the edges, like so. And you can use an orange stick or a cuticle pusher to kind of press this down nice and tight. I like to give it a nice little heat again, one more heat. Get it perfectly pressed down. And as you can see, there we go. Now I'm going to trim it close to my nail, like that. So if you press the ends down, you see it right here. Press the ends down. It kind of like wraps over the tip of your nail. And then use a file to take it at a 90-degree angle. Make sure all that excess is off. You kind of just want to there we go. Let's see. And that's pretty much the end of it. You take it and you buff it nice for the end, just to kind of as a finishing touch, so that you won't have little edges that might get caught. But that is basically how you apply your sample. And if you do the rest of your nails in nail polish, you can kind of give it a test and see how much longer it lasts than your nail polish. And hopefully you'll like it.